Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing my fidget toys that I got for my birthday, which was last week. First we're going to be talking about how I okay, anyway, let's get started. So first we're gonna be analyzing this fidget cube. It's got a thing for your finger. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. So second of all, we've this which I think is pretty cool, but my friend said I was gay because it's got all the colors of the color spectrum on it. Um, it's pretty cool, I think, because it's only got two spinners, yet it still spins. It spins for quite a while, but downside is that it's quite noisy, especially if you put it on the table. I'm gonna put it on the table now so you can see it move. As you can see, it's very I'm sorry if the camera doesn't this is this is what it looks like spinning. Okay, that was what it's like spinning. Now we've got this one. I got this one before the other one. This one's got three sides on it. So we're going to be analyzing this. The things in here spin. So now we're going to. This one's more quieter, but it spins for less. So the reason I got so many fidget toys is because I was recently diagnosed with coughing and coughing disease. I don't know what it's called, but my mom said that I would probably die from it. Anyway, we've got our final fidget toy. This is the fidget. I can't pronounce it because I'm only in third grade, whatever that is in America. So we have this right here. Reminds me of my Xbox, which my dad smashed up when I was 4. And this is some buttons. This is a thing you pull, but I don't use that one because I think it's a little bit gay, and I'm not gay. This is a switch. It really turns me on. Subscribe, and like my videos, please. This is an enemy. I think they got it from the sea, and I think that's animal abuse. I was gonna tell PETA, but my mom said no. And there's these switchy things. It sometimes hurts my small fingers because it hurts. Moving on, but that is our last fidget toy, guys. I will tell you if I get any more. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you all like and subscribe my video and my content. I will see you all next time. I don't know when that will be, obviously, because I deal with a lot of bullying and sometimes I don't want to come out of my room. But I will definitely do more videos when I can. Thank you all for watching my video, and I'm sorry about the lighting. Thank you all for watching my goodbye.